Good morning everyone. Welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Khajuraho group of temples. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. The Ministry of Culture is organizing the first G20 Culture Group or CWG meeting in Khajuraho, Madhya Pradesh from 22nd to 25th February 2023. The theme of the Khajuraho meet is protection and restitution of cultural property. Now let's discuss about Khajuraho temples. The Khajuraho group of monuments are a group of Hindu and Jain temples in Chhatarpur district, Madhya Pradesh. They are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The temples are famous for their Nagara style, architectural symbolism and their erotic sculptures. Most Khajuraho temples were built between 885 AD and 1050 AD by the Chandela dynasty. The temples were said to have been spread across 20 square kilometers and there were around 85 temples in the 12th century. The carvings at the temples seem to be predominantly about Hindu deities and mythology. A predominant feature of the construction of a Hindu temple is that the face of the temple should be towards the direction of sunrise. Moreover, the carvings reflect the four goals of life in Hinduism: Dharma, Kam, Arth and Moksha. The first documented mention of Khajuraho was made by Xuanzang, a Chinese pilgrim. He described encountering several dozen inactive Buddhist monasteries and a dozen Hindu temples. In 1022 CE, Khajuraho was mentioned by Abu Rihan al-Biruni, the Persian historian who accompanied Mahmud of Ghazni in his raid of Kalinjar. Now let's have a look at the main components of Khajuraho temples. The Garbhagriha or Sanctum Sectorum with Antaral, a narrow antechamber. The Mahamandap, a large hall. The Ardhamandap and a Mandapa, which are smaller additional halls. The Paradakshina path, a circumambulation path. A few temples at Khajuraho are of Panchayatna type. 4 shrines dedicated to the divinities and another shrine in front of the portico dedicated to the Vahan or vehicle of the principal deity. Now let's discuss about different groups of temples of Khajuraho. Western group of temples. These temples are situated on the west of the Bamita Rajnagar road on the banks of Sipsagar. They comprise 6 major edifices and are dedicated to Shaivite and Vaishnavite cults. Chausat Jogini Temple, only temple in Khajuraho which is built entirely of granite. Kandariya Mahadev Temple, largest of all the temples in Khajuraho, it dates back to the 10th century CE. Devi Jagdamba Temple, Chitragupta or Bharat Ji's temple dedicated to the sun god. Vishwanath Temple and Lakshman Temple, also known as the Chaturbhuj Temple. Next are Eastern group of temples. The complex comprises 3 large Jain temples, Ghantai Temple, the temple of Adinath, and that of Parsvanath. The Hindu temples are those of Brahma, Vaman and Javari. And southern group of temple consists of 2 temples, Duladev Temple and Jatkari or Chaturbhuj Temple. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the Khajuraho group of temples. 1. The temples are famous for their Nagara style architecture. 2. They are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 3. Most Khajuraho temples were built between 885 AD and 1050 AD by the Chandela dynasty. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.